Make a great choice today with the 2017 Regal. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.